Hello, kindergartners. Welcome back to Math with Mrs. Jackson. Today we are on Chapter 3, Lesson 7, Find Numbers That Make 10. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is write our name and date. So if your name is Oliver, you're going to write Oliver. If your name is Raylyn, you're going to write Raylyn. If your name is Gunner, you're going to write Gunner. If your name is Jordan, you're going to write Jordan. But since my name is Mrs. Jackson, I'm going to write Mrs. Jackson. And my date is 4-29-20. Okay? Now it says place some red counters on the tin frame and add yellow counters to fill in the frame. Write an equation to match. Okay, so let's go ahead and I'm going to get 10 counters out altogether. Here we go. There's a double-sided one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take my double-sided counters and I'm going to throw them down to see what we get. Okay, so now we know our parts. So I'm going to go ahead and put my red counters on first. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, so we know one part is 4. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One part is 6. And my whole is 10 because we are using a 10 frame. And we counted out 10 counters altogether. I think I'm going to do it one more time, and we'll just draw a second equation right here. Just so you guys see that there is more than one way to make 10, which you guys know by now. All right. Ooh, there we go. Okay, let's do our reds. How many reds do we have? 9. And how many yellows? 1. And how many altogether? That's correct, 10. So you can do that as many times as you'd like. You could do it with pennies, doing heads and tails, or you could do it with nickels or I said pennies, or quarters, or any kind of change that your parents have at home. All right, so now we're on Think and Grow. And we have Newton right here, and he says, draw 4 more circles to make 10. So we already have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And so we need to draw in the rest. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 6 plus 4 equals 10. So let's go ahead and do it for number 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have 9, and we need one more. 9 plus 1 equals 10. Okay? I want you to do that for 2 and 3. Go ahead and push pause, and when you're ready to go ahead and push play, do so. Now number 4 is trying to trick us because it already has 10. Can we add any more? No. So what is our missing part? Correct, 0. So 10 plus 0 equals 10. Okay. I want you to do 5 and 6 by yourself. Go ahead and push pause now and then push play when you're ready to begin again. All right, so number 7 has a missing part but no 10 frame. That's okay. We can do it ourselves. We can draw it ourselves. So we know we have 1, and we know we need to have 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And because we already know we have one part, we can cross it or color it in, and now we have the missing part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1 plus 9 equals 10. Okay? Now I want you to do that for number 8, and then push play when you're ready. Okay? So number 9, we do the same thing. We know 2, so we're going to draw 2, but we know we have to have 10. So let's go ahead and color in our 2. All right? But we need 10. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have 2 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. So our missing part is 8. All right? Now I want you to go ahead and do that for 10, 11, and 12. Okay? All right. Again, push pause and push play when you need to. Number 13, match the numbers that have a sum of 10. So you have to go through and see which ones have a sum of 10. Let's see, 4 and 5. No. So if we do it, 4 and 5, that's 9. 4 and 7, no. Oh, here's one we know. That's a double. 5 and 5 make 10. Okay. Let's see, 7 and 3 more. 7. Let's see, 7 and 3 more. 1, 2, 3. That's 10. So those match. Ooh, what's 1 more than 9? 10. Fantastic. And that means 4 and 6 go together. So those are a bunch of different ways that all make 10. All right, so now we're at Think and Grow, Modeling Real Life. There are 7 jump ropes. Your teacher buys some more. Now there are 10 jump ropes. How many jump ropes did your teacher buy? Okay, so we know that there's 7. We know that there's a missing part. And we know that it's equal to 10 jump ropes altogether. Okay, so we need to figure out how many more your teacher bought. So let's go ahead and draw our 7 jump ropes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we know that we had 7, but we also know that Mrs. Jackson, your teacher, bought 3 more. So we're going to do 3 more. And these ones are going to look like this because they're brand new. So they're in the package, okay? So we know we have to have 10 altogether. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay? Now, how many more did Mrs. Jackson buy? 1, 2, 3. So our missing part is 3. 3 jump ropes. All right. Now I'm going to read this one out for you, and I want you to do it to try and figure it out yourself, okay? There are 2 penguins. Some more joined them. Now there are 10 penguins. How many more penguins joined them? So again, you know there are already 2. That's 1 part. Okay, 2 is 1 part. Your whole is 10. You need to figure out your missing part. You need to figure out your missing part. Okay? So do it just like Mrs. Jackson did it up here. I want you to do it with 2 and 10 and your missing part. How many more penguins joined them? Okay? Go ahead and push pause. All right, so now we are on our practice page for 3.7. I would like you to do 1 and 2 all by yourself. I'm going to model again how to do 3, and then you will be doing 4. We will do 5 together, and then you will do 6 by yourself. Okay? So let's go ahead and get to work on number 3. So we have 10 plus equals 10. All right, so we can draw it out to help us. We know we have to have 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And 10 is our whole and 10 is our part, so we can color them all in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Do we need to add? What do we need to add to it? That's correct, a 0, because we already have 10 colored in. Okay, so you're going to do the missing part here. Ooh, excuse me. Okay, now let's go ahead and do number 5. So again, push pause and play as you need. All right, so we know we have 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 that are going to be colored in because we know that part. But we know we have to have 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now I know I have 10 circles, and I know 4 of them are here. So let's see what our missing part is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. 6 plus 4 equals 10. Okay, now you can go ahead and do number 6 by yourself. Again, pause and play as you need. And we're flipping over and we're going to be on our last page. Okay? So this one, I want you to match the numbers that make the sum of 10. So we did that one before. I'm going to do one with you, and then I want you to figure out the other ones by yourself. So I know that 9 is 1 away from 10. So I just need one more. Oh, there it is. So 1 and 9 make 10 together. So I can even write that. 9 plus 1 equals 10. I want you to figure out the other 3 equations. Okay? You can do it. All right. You have 3 baseball cards. Your friend gives you some more. Now you have 10. How many baseball cards did your friend give you? Okay. So we know we have 3. We know our friend gave us some, and we know all together we have 10. I want you to figure it out. What is our missing part? You can draw it, you can use your fingers, you can use subtraction to find it. You do it. You got this. Okay. Number 9 and number 10. Find the sum, then change the order of the addends and write the new equation problem. So we know 4 plus 2. So 4 and 2 more. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. Okay. And now it wants us to change the addends. So I need to change my addends. I'm going to put 2 up here. I'm going to put 4 down here. And 2 and 4 still are going to make 6. Now I want you to do it for number 10. Addend plus addend equals sum. All right, you do it here. Okay? And as always, boys and girls, I absolutely love you and I miss you.